How to Fix Messenger Video Call Sound Problem 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Messenger video call sound problem, whether you can't hear the other person or they can't hear you. Let's fix this step by step. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now, the most common issue is microphone or speaker permissions. Go to your phone's settings, then tap on Apps, find Messenger and open permissions. Make sure both microphone and camera access are enabled. If they're already on, try turning them off and back on again. Next, check your volume settings. During a video call, press the Volume Up button and make sure your media volume is not muted. Also, disable Bluetooth if it's connected. Sometimes your audio gets redirected to wireless devices. Now, another quick fix is to restart the app. Close Messenger completely from recent apps, then open it again and try the call. If the problem is still there, go back to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary bugs without deleting your data. Also, make sure your app is up to date. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. Outdated apps often cause sound issues. Finally, restart your phone. This can fix hidden system glitches. And that's it. Your Messenger video call sound problem should now be fixed. If it's still not working, the issue might be from the other person's device or internet connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rockets!